Okay, what's up guys? It's another video. And today we are playing Roblox Fair, and I'm gonna show you the new update. I'm gonna show you guys the tugboat thing on the map right here. So what you want to do is you go over here. And then you go ahead and give the bear the burger. A nice bear, meet the bear. Here you go. That's lady. Hey, don't take that. Here you go. Okay. Now that person. You gotta quick. Don't press it. Okay. Here you go. That's how you do it. It's really cool, right? That's how you do it. It's pretty cool. There's another Easter egg over here. So you go here. And then after that you go over here. And then you probably know about this. And then you go right here. And there's this little button here. And then you click on it. Well, you found it. Well, actually you have it. You found a hint. I know what you've been looking for. Wealthy. Pretty cool, guys. Once again, thanks for playing this game. Nama Deek. Which is just shoot him backwards with the hit where you go backwards. Yeah, I'm gonna show the people. Come over here. There's a little button behind you. I don't know if you can do it like totem. I mean, multiple times. Maybe it's just one time. But go there. Who's that? You can't click it if you're like right here. You gotta stand down two people. And you go at the top, and then you can click it, and then it makes a noise. So that's a tugboat Easter egg. It's a pretty cool Easter egg. So it can be heard like all the way across the map, everywhere. So if you're gonna press it, then run really fast. Because the person might know where it is. But probably not. Not a lot of people know about it. But it's a pretty cool a little secret. There's like two secrets in this map. But it's really cool. You and do what I do. And that's how you do it. So. It's Easter. that pork scrap though was pretty epic. Okay. Do this again. Let's do this again. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do the Easter. Let's do the Easter again. For the third time. Or the second one in the video. But I did it earlier off camera. I knew about it for a while, and I thought like Big Tent and then Jaden. I think Foxstar. Shout out to all those people because they're really epic gamers. They're epic gamers. How do I know? They're my friends and I know. So yeah. So we're gonna try and do the Easter egg again. It's bad. No. Take the burger. Not me. He hates the burger, doesn't he? Take it. Oh God. I'm dead. I'm so dead. Look. I'm gonna be the first one to die. Great. Epic. Let's see the other people trying to die. Oh, you can climb that? Can you? Or is it just like not? I don't think you can. Are those people trying to go on it? But I was good. For the Tugboat again, but whatever. That's gonna be like the end of the video. So if you enjoyed, then leave a like on the video. So yeah. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.